நோடி ஆரோக்கியத்தின் அடையாளம்.
We have to be one and all and one together. Only then we can fight with the illness and bring out wellness to every member, not only of our own country.
Don't try to reform everyone around us. Let us try to change ourselves. We have complete power over ourselves, our thoughts, the words we speak, and the actions. So don't try to say that I'm going to change. They will change by themselves.
Be free from fear. Be free from egoism. Be free from jealousy.
So Avai said, Aridu Hetkin Nadidu Velu, Aridu Manalarai Piratal Aridu. If you ask me what is the rarest of the rarest, rarest of the rarest is being born as a human being.
You are not a bony animal, you are a brainy. And we talk so much about our brain power. Fruits are the only one which will give you the brain power because it is not taking the other energy for digestion. जीवन में फल पाने के लिए फल प्रयोग करो.
The mind is so powerful, so vast. If we think that heavens and the earth is big, the mind can conquer the heaven and go much beyond and see what is beyond that. That is the power your mind has.
That our forefathers, when they were working in the field, they were more healthier. They never had any diabetes problem. They never had any indigestion problem. They never had any joint pains problem. The reason is when they were walking bare feet and working in the field, the pressure points were already being done. While walking bare feet, they used to get the pressure points activated.
Wellness is basically a preventive aspect. It is not something when we get disease, we think of wellness.
Wow, 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 wow. I love my world of wellness. I create my world of wellness. I celebrate my world of wellness. Wow, 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 wow.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a session for practicing the cure without touching the patient. How to go about with personal wellness throughout his life career. At any point of time, no need to worry about our future. As of now, we are living for the future. Our days are not going to be suffering, emotionally charged. No need to be angry, sorrow. No need to be sobbing, lamenting on what has gone by. I need something today, that is, I want my tomorrow hale and hearty. I don't worry about what has gone by. I am not worrying about today. Things are getting on very well with me. As I am standing here, I am not thinking about today, but the very next moment until my last day, what will happen to me. I need a carefree life, not actually careless life, but a carefree life, full of confidence, full of faith, and full of bliss that is awaiting me tomorrow. When I say I need something, I am not able to do it today, which means I have to hope for it. I am hoping that my need will be fulfilled one day. So this is where I am now. I am at a loss, but I want every gain for me. I want the whole life ahead of me with peace, composure, no suffering whatsoever. I will like or I will entertain even in my mind level. There should not be any adversities or bad omen that shall befall me. This is my inherent nature. This is my ardent need. Nobody possesses the way. Nobody can show me the way towards what I need. So when I say I need, the need is with me as a feel in the depth of my heart. So what is this feel actually? Where from it came? I am seeing so much of worry, sorrowful states, so much of bad omen. We even think that maybe the curse has fallen upon me. It is not so. I wanted to be a doctor. Now I am not a doctor of the kinds that the people know, but of a different nature. A natural feel with me is that I want to be a doctor, but I don't want to touch any medicine. I don't even want to touch the patient, but the feel must cure. If I have come over here, I have a feel in my heart that I must go and attend the session and I must go and deliver a speech. So the thought has brought me here, not actually the body has come here without the thought. The thought proceeds and such a big frame is being conducted towards where I want to be. The thought has so much power, the feel and the thought must be combined together. I am not thinking about anything